It's a new morning outside, I can tell by the birds calling my name and telling me it's time to get up. You've slept on my arm and now I can barely feel it, while the hot sun is drenching my eyes. And sometimes I fail. It is nice to know that this morning has but one tied to yesterday's night. It is tied by the timeline, and I'll take a coffee break as soon as I am awake. And I think of how sweet it is to fall more often than not. I'm daydreaming at night, and I mix up truth with lies, but I am alright most of the time. With this new morning, whatever has been tormenting me is gone, and I'm left with senses sharp and mind clear, like water running down the drain. Blood is pumping through my veins, pumping out loud.